I mean, that does look pretty cute. Hi guys, and welcome to a very embarrassing vlog of me cleaning out my car. It is disgusting. It's so dusty, like the floor mats are so dirty, the cup holders have just so many crumbs in them. Like I am so embarrassed of my car, and whenever people are like, oh yeah, can I grab a ride with you, I'm like, no, I'll meet you there, because I'm like embarrassed of my car. So now it's project get it together and clean out your car. I recently saw Lauren from Happy Haunts Library do like a little spooky makeover in her car, which is so cute. I am not doing a spooky makeover because I'm not the spooky one in my family. Topher's the spooky one in our family, but I still want to do kind of just like a cute like autumn-y kind of theme maybe. I don't know, we'll see. I've never customized anything in my car before, so we'll see how it goes. But first, what I really need to do is clean it out because it's disgusting. Little update. Looking lots better. Hopefully this image isn't too blown out, but I decided, since I did such a good job cleaning out my car today, I decided to treat myself to getting a Bath and Body Works like little scent thing for my car. I've never had one, and I've always kind of wanted one. I've always been interested in them, and I always feel like when friends have them, it smells so good. And so I was just like, you know what? I worked so hard cleaning my car, and cleaning my car is something that is such a daunting task and something that I avoid for so long. I deserve a treat. I'm gonna treat myself. And so I did. And I got the little one that's like the mushroom with the snail on it. Then of course I had to buy some scent packets. And they were on sale 3 for $11. So I got 2 sets of 3. So I got mahogany apple, pumpkin apple, sweater weather, leaves, spiced pumpkin and patchouli, and crisp morning air. Crisp morning air smells like a handsome man. I'm gonna save this one for like maybe more like winter time. I think I'm gonna go with sweater weather. Like, I know I love it, so I'm just gonna do it. And then these little guys are gonna go in my whatever that thing's called. Guys, am I doing this right? I feel like all the liquid is just gonna like come right out. Is that what I want right now though? Wait, hold on. I want to smell the spiced pumpkin patchouli as well. Okay, yeah, like I feel like that is like so fall. I'm gonna do the spiced pumpkin patchouli, and I'm gonna save sweater weather. Because like I love sweater weather, but also I kind of like it all year round. Whereas like this pumpkin patchouli I feel like is like very fall. Oh, it's so sweet. It's so good. I mean, that does look pretty cute. So like that's it on the visor. Okay, so now all there's left to do is coax my husband into taking my car in for a car wash and to have like just a small online shopping spree. Just a few things to personalize my car so that it feels like mine. I've driven this car for like 5 or 6 years, so like it's time. And I love it. I love it so much. So I plan to have it for a good long time. So I deserve to take care of it, you know? So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so the rest of my little haul here for my car, which quickly became Grannycore, but that's okay. So I got a little rainbow to hang up on my mirror, and these cute little car coasters that like amazingly match. And then I picked out this crochet a steering wheel cover. I don't know, we'll see how it looks, but actually I'm like really surprised at like how well these coordinate. I always love like a modified primaries palette, so yeah, let's see how it goes. Oh, and one other thing that I have had for like the longest time, my friend Jess got it for me, but it's like a little like rainbow prism sticker. She got me a little fox because of our little guy. And so I was thinking like he might be fun to put like on the passenger window. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm using to deck out my car. So let's see how this goes.